Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just heard a very inspiring message from Professor Gustav. Now, coming to the theme of this session, developing solar industry, challenges for Make in India. Before we move to our panelists, which is a good combination of manufacturers, project developers, and R&D, what I would like to do is briefly give you some background that how in India solar industry has evolved over the last 4 decades. In fact, solar industry in India is 4 decades old. But still when we compare today, we are operating at a subcritical level. In the 90s, the expansion of the industry started from a few public sectors and a private company, and many more players joined, primarily to cater to the off-grid market in the country and also the market overseas. As a result, the size of the industry, which was in line at that time with the requirement, remained at a level of megawatts and hundreds of megawatts. It didn't go beyond that. The first trigger in the domestic industry that came in 2008 when MNRE first announced a scheme for megawatt size grid connected power plants. And that was the seeding point for the National Solar Mission. 2010, when the mission was announced, it did increase the demand. But as far as the domestic industry is concerned, probably the industry did not get benefit on the manufacturing side, although it did create opportunities for EPC players and project developers. And that's where the issue came. Like on one hand, the size of the market in the country is increasing, but its impact on the domestic manufacturing is not seen. In fact, let me tell you, until 2009-10, India was a net exporter to the area of solar photovoltaics. And for the last 4 years, now we are net importer. The balance has shifted towards import. And in that context, today's topic about challenges for Make in India is very important. Now the issue is, what are the challenges? Why are we not able to grow in manufacturing, whereas we have been able to grow for project development? Already as a country, we have a capacity in excess of 4 gigawatts. And if you look at that, the best capacity today, and Kunal is going to elaborate on that, the cumulative capacity for manufacturing of solar cells in this country is still lower than the capacity set up by number 10 in the world. We are operating at subcritical production levels. This is coupled with some policy issues also. There are anomalies in the duty structure. Raw materials still continue to attract some duty, whereas finished product is exempt from duty. At one time, Government of India did announce a policy to encourage manufacturing. but for some reason or other, that policy could not take off with respect to solar photovoltaics. So net result is that in spite of mission being announced, there are no significant happening. But the good news is, that in last 2 years, again the domestic production has started picking up, and investments are again being seriously thought about. And this is also seen from the exports made by the country. Though still the imports are low, but the level of exports that has started increasing. Now what is being discussed is that for Make in India, what policy support or incentives should be offered apart from just reserving some capacity for domestic manufacture. Because that is not going to enhance the existing capacity. So what I expect is that when we discuss this in this manner, probably some suggestions will come, and those suggestions can always be passed on to MNRE, so that when this issue is deliberated further, they are taken in consideration. May I request Kunal to start with?